The largest employer in Kansas, besides the government, is Cessna Aircraft, a Kansas homegrown aviation company with roots as deep as the rich Kansas soil that nurtures the state's bountiful wheat crop.
Cessna is really known as the company that taught the world to fly. And going back to our heritage back into the 1927 era, Cessna really is all about bringing people into aviation. Our single engine product, which has been around forever, and it really is what the Cessna brand originally represented. We've tried to grow from that. We've done some things to continue to innovate and bring new technologies to those airplanes, and it really is fundamental globally in teaching the entire world to fly. The Cessna Skyhawk, which celebrated its 50th anniversary this year, has probably taught more people to fly than any other single airplane in the world. So you can imagine how important and how critical it is to the overall aviation industry. The pilot in a 747 today, he probably started in a Cessna 172. Well, the Wichita plant, which is our founding plant, currently is our manufacturing for our Caravan utility airplanes and our Citation jets. And it does a lot of the manufacturing from a machine shop perspective. And this is where we started. In 1996, we decided to expand, and we went out and looked within the state where would be another desirable location, and we opened the Independence, Kansas facility, which is about 125 miles from here. That facility is focused entirely on our single engine production line, which we're producing close to 1,000 airplanes a year just out of that facility. Next year, we'll start producing at that facility our new Citation Mustang, which we hope will be producing close to 150 a year of this new, exciting, very light jet.
We built 6,000 singles here, and I've worked on the single line since we opened, so I was really excited and proud to build a jet here. The first time in the history that I know of that we've built singles and jets in the same building. And it's the first time we've ever built a jet in Independence.
When our employees walk through the door, we have an environment that allows them to be productive, and the fact that we are the #1 general aviation company, it's a winning atmosphere. So people really pull together, they feel good about what we do, they feel good about the position that we have, they feel good about our history, they feel very good about how we contribute back to the community, and it's all the esprit de corps of being on a winning team. And I know when I get up in the morning, that's why I get so excited about wanting to come to work.
There's a special romance drifting in Idaho trout stream, fly fishing for trout, that's almost indescribable in words alone. Perhaps part of this romance are the memories that go along with a great fishing trip. Hyde drift boats are now the #1 drift boat in the world.
When we start to build a boat, it all comes in pieces just like this right here. And then we cut it and weld it and configure it in and put our reinforcements in it. And any boat that we manufacture is all locked into a jig so that we don't, so every boat's going to run the same. This here is our storage boxes that we put in our drift boats, and we manufacture every one of these. These come in sheets of aluminum, and then we cut it, run it through our brakes, or our shears, and then our brakes. And then we weld up all of the pieces on it so that we control it right from right from the beginning to the end. And we know that if we're the ones doing it, we have to warranty it and we have to take care of it and make sure that everything's right. We want to know that it's got our footprint on it. We use the aluminum boxes in the drift boats, the storage boxes, because first of all,
side anchors, floor anchors, bow anchor systems, easy pull anchor systems, anchor options for every situation. If you want storage, you can load up a Hyde boat with over 25 cubic feet of dry storage, more than double the industry standard. Side boxes, seat boxes, bow storage, walk-around seat boxes. Seats, seat design, 1 seat, 2 seats, 3 seats, 4 seats, open storage, closed storage.